is brought to you by Potency, Mega Sound Smart Pro Videoke, Philippine Airlines, and Efficacent Oil.
Merry Christmas na dito sa Miss Millennial Philippines 2019.
Kasi bar months na. May mga paro.
Let's start the escapade sa Central Luzon with Miss Millennial Pampanga, Angela Maria Robson.
Discover a bucket list of adventure with the reigning Mutyaning Kapampangan 2018. Angela Maria Robson, Miss Millennial Pampanga 2019.
Maya pagkakinapon mga Kabarkites! With 90 million and 3 cities and over 2 million Kapampangans, we are the culinary capital of the Philippines, the Christmas capital of Asia, and the home of the 2019 SEA Games, representing the famous and also festive Pampanga! Opo, it was so unexpected po.
A graduate of BS Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. Ano bang gusto mong trabaho, Angela?
Well, actually, I'm planning to take law din po soon to become a corporate lawyer. It's a dream of my dad po.
Okay yan.
So mag-umpisa ka na yan after ng Miss Millennial.
I'm planning for maybe next year. Let's see how it goes.
Okay.
Pero ngayon pa lang, I know that there are certain advocacies that you campaign for. Ano nga ba to?
Ano-ano yung mga yan?
Well, back in Pampanga, I'm part of Pampanga Elite Mannequins. It's a group of people who wants to be in the entertainment industry, either modeling, acting, music, anything. And aside from that, we have our advocacy for charities. So we have one, it's called Kids Can Survive. It's for a group of kids in Pampanga who unfortunately has cancer. So our job is to make them happy. Create programs for a small get-together and everything. And then actually on November 22, we're planning to have a show for a cause. And it's dedicated for them. And then on June, we also have Gift for Kids for unprivileged children who need school supplies po. Samahan niyo po ako to explore the rich culture, faith, and history of my beautiful province and let your taste buds do the talking. Mekeni, tuki ka, Malaos ko po, King Pampanga. Malaos ko po, at pakibalwan paing Pampanga. Pampanga! Mabuhay! Andito tayo ngayon sa Angeles City Flying Club. This was established in 1993, where everybody can experience flying the ultralight plane. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Mountain Clark Firing Range at susubukan natin ang mga activities nila dito like pistol and rifle shooting, archery, and shuriken throwing. Ngayon nandito na tayo sa 25 seats. Ito na ang Crispy Pork Belly Truffle Macadamia Kare-Kare. Ang sarap. Now let's enjoy one of Pradera Verde's fun and unique activity, wakeboarding. Sobrang fun, sobrang exciting. Definitely coming back to learn some more. Aming mga Kapampangan ay mayaman sa musika at kultura. Isa sa hidden treasure ng Pampanga ay ang Puning Hot Spring. Dito matatagpuan ang sand spa kung saan ibabaon tayo sa buhangin ng Mount Pinatubo at ang mga hot spring para enjoy ang mga tanawin na nakapaligid. Dito, makaka-experience ka ng adventure at relaxation. Para ka ring aliwa ang pong unique adventure experience na Kenny natin Pampanga. Ako si Angela Maria Robson, your Miss Millennial Pampanga 2019. Opo.
Dapat.
Kasi masasarap daw magluto yung mga Kapampangan.
Hindi ka pwedeng maging Kapampangan pag hindi
Hindi
ka
marunong magluto.
Alam niyo naman pong
Rice
sabi
amin.
nila, kapag basta sa lutong pagkain, basta Kapampangan, manyaman.
Manyaman.
Oo nga naman. Pero bukod nga pala sa pagkain,
Pagkain.
napakadaming pwedeng gawin sa Pampanga.
Oo.
Yung very
Mga
interesting
sinubukan
yung
mo.
Angeles City Flying Club where you can ride an ultralight plane.
Kumusta
ano to?
yung naging experience mo doon? First time mo ba gawin yun?
Opo, first time ko po. Sobrang nakakatakot, pero nakaka-excite. Kasi iniisip ko na lang po nung time na yun, ilan lang po na taong kayang gawin yon. Tapos nung nasa taas po kami, isipin nyo po, exposed kayo sa hangin, sa droplets ng rain. Tapos anytime pwede po kayong mahulog. Ganun po yung nasa isip ko noon.
Grabe yung anytime pwedeng malaglag.
Grabe yung mga thoughts
kayo.
mo. But this is open to the public.
Opo, it's open to the public. Anybody who has the guts to try it can try it po.
Kung
Kasi
matapang ka.
trained naman yung pilot, tapos sasakay ka lang naman.
Totoo rin naman.
So you don't need any kind of training or expertise to get
May
on.
master naman.
Opo.
Ito yung kailangan ng konting expertise and training, yung wakeboarding.
Ay,
You
yeah.
tried that out too.
Yes po.
What was that like? Di ba mahirap?
Mahirap yun.
Mahirap
First time mo
sa
din bang
arms.
sinubukan?
First time ko po, hindi ko po magawang makompleto yung isang round.
Hindi ka nakatayo? Or nakatayo ka naman?
Naka-kneeboard nga lang po ako.
Kneeboard lang.
Pwede na yun.
Pwede na yun. Para sa beginner, sa first timer.
Oo.
Kasi mahirap siya talaga.
But I'm sure it was very exciting and exhilarating.
Sobrang saya po. Like, the adrenaline was amazing.
Diba? Maliban dyan, meron ka rin pinakita na hot spring, yung spa,
Yes.
sand spa.
Puning Hot Springs po, it's actually being managed po by the ITAS community. So when we got there, it was so welcoming po na this ITAS actually were very hospitable po. And then they took me to those different places, then the hot springs, and then my favorite part was the sand spa.
Getting buried in the sand
Oo.
of Mount Pinatubo.
Pinatubo.
Mahirap ba pumunta doon, Angela?
Hindi naman po. You can go to Sapang Bato. That's in Angeles City.
Okay.
And then there's some transportation available to get there. But to
How
get
long
to
does
the
it
hot
take?
spring,
Oh.
less than 15 minutes po. But once you get there, you have to ride 4x4.
Oh.
And that part is exciting po kasi super adventurous po ng trail. Grabe.
Kaya nga Parang mga
Na-excite
may
ka
mga
na.
water na eh.
Opo, may maraming
But
splash.
very relaxing once you get in the
Opo.
spa.
Yes po, it's like really hot. I don't know how it works, but it's so hot and it was so relaxing po talaga.
Sige, dahil
Worth
napagod
it.
na tayo sa mga adventure, kumain
Kumain
na
na
tayo.
tayo.
Yes.
Ano tong mga pasalubong mo?
Sige po. Well, some here po, I think you're very familiar with po, but for some of them that you're not, here po we have Camaro. Like crickets po.
Okay.
I've
Yes
tried
po. You've
Which I
tried it na
hear
po.
is very good for the body. High in protein.
High in protein.
And very crunchy.
Okay, Camaro.
Opo, Camaro.
What is betute?
Petute po, it's frog or tugak. It's stuffed frog po.
Mm-hmm.
I actually tried it and
Natikman
it's
mo na?
not bad.
Talaga
As
ba?
in, hindi po siya, masarap po
Actually,
siya. Ako po medyo maarte po sa pagkain, pero na-try ko siya, nasarapan
Nagustuhan
po.
mo.
Opo.
Parang nai-imagine ko sila nung buhay pa sila. Pasa ko
Baka
dyan.
tumalon.
And of course, the sisig.
Yes, sisig, of
Pampanga
course. Sikat
is
po yung
very good for
Pampanga
that.
sa sisig.
Chicharon.
Meron na nga
Charoy.
take-home version.
Oo nga.
Opo,
Ready
we
to
have.
Iinitin na lang.
Ito naman po, we have our buro mustasa and isa.
Ayan,
Are you familiar with samgyeopsal po?
Yes.
It's our Kapampangan version of samgyeopsal. Yes
Ito yung
po.
binabalot ba?
Opo.
Yes.
And then sometimes, what I usually do, pinipare ko po sa rice. Kasi,
Masarap
hindi
yun.
po sa kanin.
Why not?
Masarap yun.
At saka
Ito naman,
masarap yung
ano
ano
naman
eh,
itong mga
buro.
ito?
Oh, ito po, this is actually one of the things I want to highlight with my presentation.
Yes.
It is the pukpuk. It's actually an endangered craft.
Okay.
It's called metal crafting and this one po, that's actually my crown for Muchaning Kapampangan.
Oh.
Just 2 months ago, I actually went viral or I went trending because of the crown. It went viral on Thailand and some were good compliments and some were not as much because they didn't understand what the crown was. Others said it was too big, it was too different. Others call it a fruit tray, but the thing is, they don't understand. Kasi po, for us, we call it an obra sagrada. A sacred work po.
Okay. Kasi
At
mahirap
para
siya gawin.
matapos mo yan, etong metal crafting na to, ang ginagawa nila, pinupukpok ba
Opo,
nila? Kaya
literal
siya tinawag na
pukpok.
pukpok.
Opo.
Ang tagal nun.
And it takes a lot of time.
Lot of
And
time, lot of
effort.
effort. It has to come from the heart. And for us kasi, the bigger the crown, the bigger the faith.
Oh,
tama.
yun pala yun.
And then, of course, the paroles.
Of course, Parol, that's why we're called the Christmas capital of the Philippines po.
Para sa mga
Available
parol.
na yan ngayon pala. All
Oo,
year round, di ba?
All year round meron.
All year round, pero mas ano po siya, mas rampant po
marami.
siya during the bear months
Per months.
po.
Ayun.
Per
So,
month.
nag-umpisa na.
And then we also have some pots from Santo Tomas. I actually tried making a pot.
Oh.
Pero hindi po siya lumabas na paso. Kaya hindi ko na po siya dinala.
Sabihin mo, abstract yun.
Abstract po.
Abstract maso.
When we had the military base agreement, so the government decided to create this salakot arch. It's called salakot po because it looks like a salakot hat
Oo, yes.
to symbolize a long tradition of Filipino and American tradition.